Lazy or lazy to read, right?
Yeah.
Actually, it's lazy to read, right?
Yeah, I got.
Change to lazy. In my opinion, it depends on how people use the technology. So, some people use their technology to do bad things, and others use it in good ways. As example, nowadays we usually heard about in the news, in the news at TV, newspaper, and other social media. There are already many cases that some people hack government system and harm the government. It makes government more difficult to
what?
Mengatasi.
Handle the solve.
It makes government difficult to handle that case, and in some cases, government also lost a lot of money, like billion or trillion rupiah. So, if many people use their technology in good ways, that these things will not going to happen. Maybe somebody say technology make us lazy, like we use a lot of our time to play games, like games that are really popular right now, like PUBG Mobile, right?
Oh, PUBG.
Many people use a lot of their time in the day to play that game. So after that, some cases in New Zealand, there's one guy, they shot a lot of Muslims, and then that makes that games make his mind controlled by that game. So in my opinion, technology is not bad or good. It depends on how people use it and treat it every day. I think that's all from me. Sorry for not prepared.